Hello, do you need help releasing your cheesecake from the Pampered Chef Springform pan? Stay tuned for a demo. Welcome to Real Food, Real Medicine, where Chef Dr. Margie empowers you to better health through real food, to your health and wealth. Let's get started. First, we're going to flip over the cake. And if the cake is stuck to the plate, you can just gently shake it until it releases. Remove the Springform pan and set it aside. Now we'll gently work with the bottom lid to remove it from the cake. You might have to shake it a few times gently, going around in circles, and you will eventually get it to release. If some of the crust remains on the bottom lid, you can use the Pampered Chef cake releaser and gently pry it off and then pat it back down onto the cake. The next tricky part is getting the cake flipped right side up again. So you put the Springform pan back on the cake just to keep it intact, and you quickly flip it over, and then once it's flipped over, you can center it on your plate. And there you have it, and now you're ready to decorate your cheesecake. Be sure to check all my links below to contact me, subscribe, shop, and join my team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. From my kitchen and wine cooler to yours, I wish you a bon appetit, to your health and wealth.